OEMTOOLS half-inch drive click torque wrench is designed to fasten nuts and bolts to a precise amount of torque. Use the torque setting specified in the vehicle maintenance manual to avoid causing damage by over-tightening. Let's get started. Select the appropriate size socket and place it onto the half-inch square drive. Slide the lock ring up and set the desired amount of torque by twisting the handle clockwise or counterclockwise to align the appropriate graduation markings. Slide the lock ring down once you have set the torque level. Using steady pressure, turn the torque wrench until you hear the click, indicating you've reached the desired amount of torque. Do not keep tightening after you hear the click, because you will over-tighten the fastener. When you finish, reset the torque wrench to its lowest setting to preserve its accuracy.